miles from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. In spite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always knew from the day we met I would be with you. The first time you said that you love me too. Couldn't pass without you, I'm hollowed out. So I packed my things and we moved down south. Shared a room in a foreign house. This will take some time, but that's what it's all about.
Calection.